Have you ever wondered if there's really a difference between male and female dogs? A lot of people think a dog's personality is all about their breed or how they were raised, but the truth is, gender actually plays a bigger role than you might expect. In this video, we're diving into some fascinating differences between male and female dogs. Whether you're thinking about getting a new pup or just want to understand your furry best friend a little better, these surprising facts might change the way you see them. Alright, let's talk about something interesting. Did you know that when it comes to canine companionship, dogs often get along better with members of the opposite sex? This isn't just some random observation, research actually backs it up. Natural instincts and dynamics like dominance seem to play a big role here. A male dog and a female dog are less likely to compete for resources or authority, which can lead to a much smoother relationship overall. So, if you're thinking about adding another pup to your family, going for the opposite sex might just be the key to a peaceful and happy home. And here's another fascinating fact. Dogs may be known as man's best friend, but male dogs actually tend to gravitate toward women. Why? It's all about perception. Research shows that male dogs are often more hesitant to approach strange men than women. Experts in animal behavior suggest that this might be because men are typically taller, have deeper voices, and may sport features like facial hair, all of which can seem a bit intimidating to a dog. Female dogs, on the other hand, are usually less selective and will approach people of all genders more freely. So, if your male dog seems to prefer hanging out with the women in your life, it's not just in your head, it's science. When it comes to lifespan, female dogs generally outlive males. But there's more to the story. Spayed females enjoy an even greater advantage, living up to 26% longer than their unspayed counterparts. Similarly, neutered male dogs also tend to live longer than unneutered males. This is largely because spaying and neutering help prevent reproductive diseases like uterine cancer in females and testicular cancer in males. Additionally, unneutered pets are more likely to engage in risky behaviors, such as wandering in search of a mate. This increases their chances of being hit by a car, contracting diseases, or getting into aggressive fights with other dogs, all of which can shorten their lifespan. Male dogs have a reputation for being independent explorers, and there's a good reason for that. Their natural drive to find a mate makes them more likely to wander, especially if they're unneutered. This urge can lead them far from home, and it's not just about romance. Territorial disputes with other male dogs are also common. Male dogs often mark their territory with urine, leaving their signature for others to find. While females can also engage in marking behavior, it's far more common in males. Neutering your male dog can significantly reduce this instinct, keeping them safer and closer to home. On the other hand, male dogs are statistically more likely to bite than females, and this tendency is even higher in unneutered males. Studies show that male dogs are generally more aggressive, but this doesn't mean your male pup is destined to be a biter. A dog's temperament is shaped by many factors, including socialization, training, and their environment. Aggression is often a response to fear or mistreatment, so providing a loving, stable home is key to raising a well-adjusted dog. Another one of the biggest differences between male and female dogs lies in how their bodies are affected by reproduction. Unspayed females go into heat twice a year, which can be a stressful time for both the dog and their owner. During this period, female dogs experience hormonal changes, anxiety, and physical symptoms like a bloody discharge. They may also exhibit flirtatious behavior, such as lifting their tail and turning their rear toward male dogs. Spaying not only eliminates these cycles, but also reduces the risk of health issues like uterine infections and certain cancers. If you choose not to spay your female dog, you don't necessarily have to breed her. While many believe that unspayed females should be bred to prevent health problems, this is actually a misconception. Instead, focus on managing her heat cycles by keeping her away from male dogs to prevent unwanted pregnancies. Providing a calm, secure environment during this time can also help alleviate her stress and discomfort. If you're hoping your male dog will take an active role in raising puppies, you might be disappointed. Male dogs generally lack the nurturing instincts of their female counterparts and often show little interest in their offspring. In fact, most male dogs may not even recognize the puppies as their own. Interestingly, this behavior contrasts sharply with wolves, where male pack members take on important roles, such as bringing food to the den and protecting the pups from threats. Female dogs, on the other hand, are naturally protective and dedicated mothers, instinctively caring for their young and ensuring their safety and development. While mounting is often associated with male dogs, it's actually common in both sexes. Dogs mount for reasons beyond reproduction. It can be a way to burn off excess energy, assert dominance, or even relieve stress. Sometimes mounting is simply a sign of overexcitement during play or a way for dogs to seek attention. It's important to understand the underlying cause of this behavior to address it appropriately. Spaying or neutering can reduce this behavior, but training and redirection are also effective ways to manage it. Providing plenty of physical exercise and mental stimulation can help minimize mounting caused by boredom or excess energy. In general, male dogs tend to be larger than females, with broader chests, heavier bones, and more muscular builds. Testosterone plays a significant role in these physical differences, influencing their size and strength from an early age. Some of the largest dogs ever recorded were males, like Zeus, a towering Great Dane standing over 3 feet tall, and Zorba, a massive English Mastiff weighing an incredible 343 pounds. These size differences can make male dogs better suited for tasks requiring strength and endurance, such as guarding or pulling. However, their larger size may also mean they need more space, food, and exercise compared to females. Did you know that dogs, like humans, can be right or left-pawed? Studies reveal that most dogs favor their right paw, but this tendency is even stronger in females. This means female dogs are more likely to exhibit a dominant paw preference when performing tasks like shaking hands, reaching for a treat, or stepping forward. Interestingly, scientists believe that paw preference can be linked to brain function, as the dominant paw corresponds to the opposite hemisphere of the brain, just like in humans. Observing which paw your dog favors not only gives you a small but fascinating glimpse into their unique personality, but can also provide insights into their problem-solving approach and motor skills. Here's a surprising fact. A single litter of puppies can have multiple fathers. This phenomenon, known as superfecundation, occurs when a female dog mates with different males during her fertile period. Each egg can be fertilized by the sperm of a different male, leading to a litter with puppies that may vary significantly in appearance, size, and even temperament. This remarkable aspect of canine biology showcases the species' adaptability and genetic diversity. Now, it doesn't matter if you have a male dog or a female dog, understanding their unique needs is key to keeping them happy and healthy. But are you unknowingly doing things that could harm your bond with your dog? In the video here on the screen, I reveal 6 signs your dog doesn't love you and how to fix them. Click now to learn more and strengthen your relationship with your furry friend. See you in the next one.